when you feel it's hopeless, when you
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial will be on a very quick and easy halo eye makeup. This is a beginner friendly tutorial. If you are interested in knowing how to get this quick halo eyeshadow look, then please continue watching this tutorial. The links to the products that I have used here are in the description box below. If you are interested in purchasing, please check them. As my makeup palette, I'm using Mars Jashne Shringar palette. This is a very beautiful palette. I'm picking this brown, deep brown eyeshadow and packing this eyeshadow on my outer V. I'm using Sigma E33 brush. Move the brush in circular motion, keep moving. After covering my outer V, I would be packing the same for my inner corners. Join both. Apply the same on your crease, joining both. Move the brush back and forth and in circular motion. Keep moving the brush in circular motion and back and forth. Smokiness will appear. Do this step for a considerable amount of time. After this, I'm using this black eyeshadow to intensify my outer and inner corners. Tap a little and move the brush in circular motion for black to blend with brown eyeshadow. Move the brush on your crease. Don't deposit any eyeshadow, black eyeshadow on your crease. Just move an empty brush. Deposit on your inner corner and blend it. Moving the brush in circular motion, blend the eyeshadow, black eyeshadow with brown eyeshadow. The intensity on crease should be less. Outer and inner corner should be intensified the most using black eyeshadow. Next, I'm cleaning my eye mid. On top of this, I would be packing silver glitter. To make it a halo eye look, the outer and the inner corner should be the same. On mid, you have to pack a different eyeshadow. I'm using a glitter eyeshadow. This is a very beautiful silver glitter. Begin applying on concealer. Wait for the concealer to dry. After it dries, begin packing. Push the outer V eyeshadow towards the glitter to blend. Here also do the same. Inner eyeshadow towards the glitter to blend it. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. I'm outlining wing.
when you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost all, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, let us heal and grow. You won't be
After this, I'm creating pointed inner corner. Next, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. I'm using color bar kajal. Use brown eyeshadow to smudge the kajal on your lower lash line. This is the first eyeshadow, that which I used to smudge my lower lash line. Next, I'm applying mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes while coating mascara on them. When you're applying mascara on your lower eyelashes, hold the wand vertically. Individual eyelashes are targeted when you use the tip of the wand to coat mascara on your lower eyelashes, and it's done. This is a very quick and easy halo eye makeup look for beginners. If you like this tutorial, then please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.